Guys, today we watched game 2 of the Western Conference Finals between the LA Lakers and the Denver Nuggets. And grabe ba, I think just saw the game and grabe ang game, grabe ang ending. Really want sayang kaya ang ubang games kung ako naka-react kanin, nakakuan yung ko na ako na feel na ko na magical ending. And watch this video about the last few minutes of the game. 26 seconds left. Denver down by 1. Hala. Oh, 11 in a row by Jokic. Let's play for the Lakers. Let's see. James going after Murray. Hello, Caruso. No. And the ball loose, and now Green, and it's blocked by Murray. 2.1. Yahoo! Play by Murray there, and no timeouts for the Lakers now. So whatever they. Oh, let's see. Nice block. Nice block. Jamal Murray on Danny Green. So now you got Rondo on the floor here for Caruso. No, last play of the game. All back screens. Big fellas going to the hoop, lobs in. The guy in the corner is those back screens. Who will have a magical moment here? This is enough time for a catch, a pump fake, a dribble as well. A lot of time. So who'll be the hero? Who'll be the hero? Denver fouled again. Jokic trying to disrupt Rondo. He puts it in. Here's Davis. Patay! 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 Anthony Davis by buzzer beater. Another magical moment. There is a playoffs by grabe. Dalawa. Pagsiga. Patay. Wala yung oras. By the Nuggets, just outstanding offense by Anthony Davis. Lipay kang Lakers by. So 0 na by. Off the screen, playing defense. That's why Jokic did a great job getting the hand up, but that was Plumlee's man coming off the screen. Anthony Davis scores the last 10 Laker points, and that's what I'm talking about. That's Anthony Davis versus Jokic ang gun, and Davis won. I guess laom na kayong hole. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Grabe, no? So grabe to na performance by grabe. I mean, I know I want Denver to at least compete with the Lakers, and now they're down in 2-0 hole, but they are ilang ipakita sa Lakers na musukol sila sa Lakers na kaya nila match up. And I think Nikola Jokic is a big headache defensively sa ila, but of course Anthony Davis, this is like Anthony Davis, the first NBA kanabang first team all NBA, first team all defense. Parisan pa gid ni LeBron na first team all NBA. Marag disod gid pildihon, but yes. Ay basig kusuklan ka na. So bye, ay good, and enjoy good kayong duaa. And of course I'm gonna keep on watching those games, and I guess kaning duha ka series na conference finals, maraming close games. I'm hoping na I'll see more magical moments in this 2020 playoffs. Wow, for today the hero of the day is Anthony Davis. But of course, kudos gihapon kang Nikola Jokic. He almost stole the game from the Lakers, and it was an awesome performance, especially in the last 3 minutes, last 4 minutes. They were supposed to be down by 8 now, 192, but they were able to come back and even took the lead twice. So, took the lead and in the last minute, nakuyawan pang Lakers na mapildi sila sa 100-201 na nakuha pa nilang lead. But wala, saan naman. So congrats Lakers fans, and
yes, really enjoy the game. And see you na sa itong mga next Bisaya Sports Show. Mga kuha na to, itong mga comments, mga NBA fans diha, kinsa man inyong ipustahan. O kinsa inyong mga bet na mag NBA Finals. And thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you na sa sa atong sunod na mga videos. Thanks so much for all the support. Bye!